Okay, guys. Everyone wants to see an update about UPC. This one's a little freaking harder, right? This one's a kind of a pain, right? We have the straight red days, right? No single bounce that has ever happened. But I'm sticking to my course. I'm going to stick to my roles as I've seen this pattern a lot. I've seen it go way up more than where I take profit. So I'm totally fine. I obviously have a stop loss, but I want to go over everything. This is just an update on UPC. If anyone, it's not just to pump. It's also realistic advice that I'm going to give here. So for UPC, as you can see, we had this big drop from the EMA 20. We would never buy it at the EMA 20. That's totally fine. But with our system, we want to wait around 6 to 7 daily candles away from that hugging the ATR4, especially with a big drop like this. Well, we got that. As you can see, we are totally tugging this band here. We didn't buy it here, but we waited 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this was your 6 daily candle, and then it went down. 7 was the ideal, so 6 to 7 we accumulate all throughout this area, and it's just been stagnant, right? It's been doing a slow staircase and slow pain. So as of now, I'll be realistic. I'll be honest. I have a 25-cent stop loss. Am I up? Am I proud of it? No, not at the moment. But can this go to the 30s? Can it go to the 28, 29? That'll still be a freaking good gain, right? So if we look at this gain from this low here, we're looking about a 25% increase. I do truly believe we are due. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I very rarely see, past 10 daily candles not touching this EMA 5. We are at 11. Yes, I understand there's a news. There's a meeting about the shareholders. But if you look at the news here too, I mean, they're going to have, they missed revenue here. They also have secure strong shareholder backing. I do truly think that this might have a pump when everyone was depressed. Everyone probably sells out, and then it goes up 20, 30%. Could I be totally wrong? Absolutely. Pennies are a lot of speculation, but with this system, we can we can avoid false signals. Like a lot of people probably bought up this at the 50 cents. They bought this candle at 40 cents, bought this candle, and you can see that, it just, slowly just bleeds them out, right? So the K value is at 3.14. That is extremely oversold. If you look at the bottom oscillator, the KDJ, I love that thing. And we are due for an EMA 5. But I will notice too, guys, in just future reference, China stocks are always hardest. If you look at the profile, this is based in China, and it's just something to notice. Like, always do double. Even though it seems so good, I've seen the setups like this pump right in here all the time, but there's going to be kind of some weird circumstances. UPC is just being a little more stubborn. It does have decent volume, which is why I liked it. I truly do think this can pump but I also am going to have a clear stop. My stop is around 21 cents. If it hits 21 cents, I want to take around a 15 to 16, 20% stop loss, 20% stop I'll get. Because if I'm wrong, I don't want to just keep, having dead money just sit in this, because I know other plays that can make me it back. I have a couple other plays in the Discord that I have alerted that I know are of high potential, just like this one has high potential, but it's just a probability game. Nobody can truly say this thing's going to go up massive. I know it, and you just put all your whole bank account. Have a conservative plan. If for me, I have a max of $5,000 that I'm willing to put in pennies. If that's my roll, I should not break it, because if you break the rolls, then what is the sense of even having rolls? So I have 2 accumulations total in this thing. I bought here all throughout in here, and I was able to get around a 25-cent average, and slowly, accumulating and not going really too big in it. But I do think this can have a move, so stay patient if you are in it. If you're not in it, it's up to you. I give you guys analysis that I've seen work over and over again. Does it have to work? No, it is a penny, so that is already speculation. But in my past experiences, this happens a lot. But it is a China stock, so it is going to have more drastic moves down before it goes up. But when it pumps, I promise you, those pumps are the biggest you'll ever see. So it's a two-edged sword. Can you take some heat? before the pump happens, and that's really what it is. All right, so that's UPC, Universal Pharmaceuticals. I like that news. They come in here. You know, they have a strong shareholder backing. I really do like that. We have a lot of dead candles here. So we're at what? We're at 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 11, right? 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, we have 11 daily candles not touching the EMA 5. We know price has to touch that EMA 5. It will. It doesn't matter how crappy the stock is, but you don't want to just keep going down and down. So I truly think, you know, we have a good entry, and we'll see from there. The EMA 10 is way up here. I don't think that's going to get hit anytime soon. But what I have noticed a lot of the times, a lot of the, you know, EJH I played recently, it went up from the EMA 5. It didn't just reject. It went, you know, quite a bit up, and even got close to the 10. And that's kind of what the pumps these things can do. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Now it's just real talk of what my game plan is. It doesn't mean it has to work, but in my past experiences, a lot of these times it did work, and I do like this nice little consolidation here. You know, nothing really happening. Bulls, bears, you know, we went down and we come up. You know, it's kind of like an indecision, not the greatest, but I also see this nice hammer candle here. I do think this is due for a move up. As you can see, I'm bullish more than bearish way down here, and at least to the EMA 5, and that will give you a nice solid 30% gain. If you guys really want to join the premium Discord and you can see my updates and how I make decisions, not just based on what others think, but just based on what this system tells me, you're more than likely to join the Discord. Hit the link down below in the YouTube comments and in the description. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android, you'll have to use your phone's browser or computer. Avoid scammers. I'll never trade your accounts or message or DM you first. So if you hit the server shop or just day trade alerts right here, you could see I offer 2 services. You're going to want to join the Day and Swing Trading Plus. I talked about day trading. This is a day trading strategy. I use the daily candle, but I promise you my day trading strategy is 100% better. I do swing trading just, you know, to give alerts for my swing trading members, but I guarantee you guys, you're going to be like, why did I not try day trading earlier? I said that to myself too. I've been because there's a lot of things you can't control overnight risk. You know, you take a swing trade, it might go down because you can't control it. There's unknowns. Whereas day trading, I'm in the moment. I'm out within minutes, making 10 to 20% gains every trade. And you can see when you're doing about 3 trades a day, 30% on your portfolio, it adds up really fast. So highly encourage it. I know you guys are like, man, UPC is just pissing me off. Yeah, it's going to be like that. And that's just part of trading. There's nothing perfect about it. But I will say, you guys, when you look at bigger cap stocks, they are going to do more of what the system says. The algos always take it where they want to do. So when there's more volume, it's less manipulated. So I do the indexes, I do the biggest cap stocks in the world. It's doing a 1-minute day trading strategy, which I really want everyone to learn. And people will be like, well, I don't know how to do options. And it's so easy to do. I go live, I show you exactly what to look for, what price to look for, and it's so basic that it's the same thing over and over. It's like, you know, swinging a bat at a baseball. You're gonna learn it very fast. So $12 a month will give you access to all the subscriptions. It's only $12. You know, skip out on a McDonald's meal, invest in your future, and you're gonna get high alerts. And if you look at my RTK journal, you will see the facts of how this wins a lot. Obviously, I lose more on stocks, so I'm really recommending more indexes, but I have over close to 100% win ratio with indexes. As you can see, we were on a 25, 28, 30 win streak, had a couple losses, but the losses are so minimum that they pick up the wins that just, you know, counter them instantly. 17% win, well, 20% lost, or 20% gain, 23% gain, 20, and they really, like a small account, people always tell me I can't do much because I have a small account, right? So with this strategy, I promise you, you will be able to, you know, do small accounts into that. I love swing trading. I do it on the spear, but like I say, my big money is in day trading, and on these speculation plays that work, they do work pretty well in my swing trading strat. You'll probably see this thing at the EMA5. You'll probably see a lot of people depressed, and then they'll sell, and then it'll pump 30, 40%, and they'll be like, wow, I knew it was going to pump, but you didn't really know because you sold, right? So this is my analysis on UPC. I hope you guys liked my update. I try to keep you guys informed. I'm full transparency. When I take a loss, you guys know it. When I take a win, we all rejoice in the Discord, right? So I hope you guys see you guys in there. It's only $12 a month. Do subscribe on your computer. I think you guys are going to really like it. And there's tons of education videos for you guys to watch. I really look forward to you guys' success. And let's make money together, guys. Peace out. Happy trading.